and welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be decluttering my kitchen and I cannot bloody wait. There have been so many things that I've just been like, while I've been decluttering other rooms, filming this series, that in my kitchen, obviously I'm in my kitchen every day, that I just want to get rid of, and I'm like, just wait until the video. However, there are two things I have picked up. One is a whiteboard, which I just found, and I don't use, it's literally just like stashed away. And this sauce that we used last night, which is way past its sell by date, so I kept them out. But essentially I'm going to go through all of my kind of cupboards and out of date food and get rid of it all, because it's Christmas in a few days. So I'm actually filming this 2 days before Christmas Eve, and I'm about to go and pick up my food shop. So I want to kind of declutter my kitchen before I go to Asda's and go and pick up all the food that I bought for Christmas, because I'm like, I will have nowhere to put it. So first off, I'm going to start with this area. This area, if I show you, is literally just kind of full of all my bits and bobs. I've got some empty glasses up there. Now a lot of this food needs to kind of be gone, so I am going to declutter it now very quickly. So one thing I am certain I'm going to get rid of, all of this. This is kind of what I am left with on my shelf, and this is everything that needs to kind of be depotted or have new things put into it. Moving on to the cupboard in the corner, this is pretty empty anyway. I literally just keep in here my glasses at the top. So the ones in the corner, actually I absolutely love these. Were like my 16th birthday present, or was it my 18th birthday present, and they've got bumblebees on them. So just got small glasses, small wine glasses, and then just 4 normal wine glasses when people come over. Here we just obviously keep our mugs at the moment. We've got 2, the rest of them are in the washing up because we had loads of people on last night. Our cutlery. Here we've got tea bags, some extra tea bags, sugar, coffee and sweetener. And so the only things I think I'm going to get rid of are just these little things here, which are milk bottle and some. At the moment I've got some washing up brewing, and all of those pots that I just decluttered are cleaning. Up here I just have my, focus it for you, I just have washing up liquid, hand soap and all-purpose spray, so whatever I'm using at the moment, in that basket, which is super handy. And I have some flowers on the side, which I'm obviously going to keep. So I am just going to work through the under sink cupboard. Doesn't that look so much better? Ah. So this drawer I declutter all the time, but it just gets so messy. So everything I have in here, I want in here. Change of heart, I'm actually going to declutter these 2 items. Cupboards. The cupboard on the far right with all the plates and stuff in is perfectly fine. There is enough of everything in there. There's for literally like me and Sol for 2 days, or if someone comes over. So we're going to shut that one, and we're going to look at this cupboard, which is all of our protein and breakfast stuff. And there are some things that need to be moved, but to get to this I need to move you out of the way. Completely impractical. So bear with me, I'm going to go off camera, sort this out and come back. That is looking so much better. So we have proteins on the bottom, we've got supplements and pre-workouts in the middle, and then we've got breakfast stuff at the top. Sick! So main cupboard time, and what I'm mainly concerned about is the sauces in this basket being out of date, but I'm going to go through it all now. There's not a lot, as I said. I'm about to go pick up my order, so let me declutter. Is what it looks like now. So I've got sauces at the top corner, my tuna in the middle, my gravy, which is mainly for Christmas at the moment. I've got our peanut butters, so I've got Reese's peanut butter, normal peanut butter, crunchy peanut butter, and smooth squeezable peanut butter because I tend to use peanut butter when I run. I've got some herbs in the middle, like the big ones, my eggs and my onion. I've got my carbs basket at the bottom there, and then all my sauces that are currently in date, and all of this is what I took out. So actually quite a big place we have is our snack cupboard. So we've basically got biscuits and stuff at the bottom, teas and like hot chocolates, and then all of the cooking stuff. So I'm going to go through this. So much nicer. Yay! So this is everything that I am decluttering from my kitchen. I actually cannot believe how much stuff I have found and got rid of that it's just been sitting in the cupboard. Like I'm like, oh, one day we'll use it. So I've got like dirty stained tea towels when I bought new tea towels. I've got kind of stuff when I was doing keto. I've got opened like pesto pots and protein I didn't like, and sauces, and like old tea bags. And this is like beer that one of my previous tenants left that still happens to be in here. So this is all going to be decluttered.